All right, now we're recording. This is the second session of the Mosaic Mandala Design Workshop. Jeanette's moving right along. Beautiful, gorgeous. Thank you, Renee. And of course, Hester's almost finished. The blue in the middle is actually a mirror, but we've taped it off so she doesn't scratch it. Jane, beautiful as usual, lots of bling, soft colors. And Susan, I love that. Copper and purple. Way to go, Caitlin. Look at that. Whee! And Robin, every detail perfect as usual. Look at that tessellation. So we have one more day to set, and then Tuesday evening we'll be grouting these beauties, and I'll be sure to post pictures.